Businesses all over are focused on delivering better value to customers. They are focused on delivering better products with agility. Tata Technologies is helping businesses innovate and challenge the boundaries, staying true to the spirit of can-do attitude, enabling customers leverage its IP and domain knowledge to deliver products that are faster, smarter, and sustainable. Join the fast-growing tribe of global innovators, working with a can-do attitude to empower the industry with future-proof innovations. Learn from the team that developed an online omnichannel sales solution at the onset of COVID and helped a leading global OEM based out of India to engage customers and win market share. Work with our global innovators who are challenging the boundaries every day to help businesses of tomorrow. Come join us in engineering a better world.